Hi, I'm going to show you how you can utilize all the features of LiGo while ensuring your unique voice is captured in all the cases. So I will start off with how you can generate comments and posts using the Chrome extension. Then I'll talk about how to track your leads and prospects without moving away from the LinkedIn tab. Then we'll move on to how you can customize your styles for comments and posts for further fine tuning of your style. And lastly, we'll talk about advanced LinkedIn analytics for your account and the rest of the application. So let's get started. So this is how you can set up the LiGo extension. The very first thing that you want to do is click on the extensions icon and make sure that it is pinned. Then go to LinkedIn and refresh the page, and then you will start seeing the engage button over here. So when you click on the engage button, what's going to happen is you will get 6 comments, 3 in LiGo style and 3 in your own style. Initially, you won't get anything in my style. You need to add some styles over here and select one as your default. And by the way, regarding this engage button, you will see that on Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook as well. So you can use them on all of these applications. Then come the posting part. So over here, you can add your raw brainstorming notes and then select your style. This is optional, and then select the post length and then click on generate post. This will give you 6 different variants of the post. If you don't have a style edit, then you will get 3 posts which are going to be in LiGo style, which is off the bat very good. Next thing I want to show is that if you go on someone's profile, so I'll just visit her profile, you're going to see a save button over here. So you can save them as a lead, as a prospect, however you like. You can add some notes, add some tags. In the future, you'll also be able to get reminders for these people. And once you save them, there's 2 options. You'll be able to view this information when you're on the profile, or in the extension, you can click on this leads button and it will take you to this interface where you can see all of your leads. You can edit the information, delete information, customize columns, or other things like that. Next thing that I want to show you is the style preferences. So this is where you configure different styles. In my case, I've got 3. One is my custom style, which is for LinkedIn. This is also set as default right now because I'm mostly active on LinkedIn. You can add a different style for Twitter, different one for Reddit, so on and so forth. And if you, for example, if I was on Reddit right now, I will make this as default. So the comments are generated in this particular style. In terms of adding examples, so this is for fine tuning purposes. Ideally, you should add at least 5 comments over here. So you can either add comments manually in your style, or you can basically have a look at some of the comments that we've added over here and just add the ones which basically match the kind of style that you're looking for. Same is the case for posts as well. You can have multiple styles and just add example posts in that. Okay, so next thing is settings. So over here, if for example you don't like ChatGPT as the model, if you're not liking the comments generated by LiGo or your My Style or similar, you can try changing the model if you like. And another thing is, for example, if you're not using LiGo style comments at all, just disable this because it will make the generation process faster for you. The last thing is auto generation is enabled by default. So that means the moment you click on engage on a post, right, it's going to automatically start generating comments. If you want to basically disable that and you can basically just untoggle this and save the settings, then what would happen is when you click on engage, it's simply going to copy the post over here. It won't start generating comments. You can select your style and then click on generate comments manually. So next thing is view analytics. So over here, I'd actually show more than one thing, which is that you also have this sidebar. So you can go to the dashboard, go to the themes. You can generate recurring pattern-based niche post through this. You can also use the post generator, which is basically if you want to convert a voice note, a meeting transcript, email thread, something, you can just feed it that, and it will generate 3 different angles for LinkedIn posts for you based on that. A lot of powerful things, but you can try them at your own time. So I'll disable this for now. In the LinkedIn analytics, you can basically see information like your top performing post. You can see all of your posts and filter through them. You can see your engagement over time, best time to post, best day to post for your particular audience based on your past performance, your consistency scores, your growth trends, weekly, monthly. You can see whether adding a media actually adds value or brings you more engagement, and whether it's long form posts which perform better or short ones, so on and so forth. You can also generate AI based insights which give you action items in terms of what you need to change or adapt in your LinkedIn strategy. And last thing is you can chat with your LinkedIn data as well. So that's pretty much it. I would highly encourage that after you try the Chrome extension, you also go to the web application, just go to the dashboard, go through the onboarding. It will create 3 to 4 different themes for you. So for example, I've got like about 10 of them, and you can then just generate ideas based off of them, generate posts based on the ideas, and this is the kind of post that you can basically expect. So this is the last post that I made on my own LinkedIn as well. I think it was this particular variant.